Want to buy Dogecoin instantly on Coinbase? Here's the quick step-by-step guide. First, launch the Coinbase app or website and log into your account. Go on Trade and then tap the search bar and type Dogecoin or Doge and then select it from the list. Press the buy button and enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to purchase, either in dollars or Doge. Select your payment option, debit card or bank account, Apple Pay or Google Pay for instant processes. Review the fees, then tap Buy Now. The Dogecoin is added to your Coinbase wallet instantly. And that's it. You just bought Dogecoin instantly on Binance. Fast, easy, and secure. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments. And here's the diagram for anybody that wants to see it full screen. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this.